How to allow only a few people to add you on a group on WhatsApp. By default, WhatsApp makes it very easy to add anyone to a group. If you give your number to somebody, you might end up in several groups. You can now stop this problem at the source. WhatsApp has a settings that blocks anyone from automatically adding you to a group. To enable this, first tap on the three dots from the top right. Now select Settings. Here, tap on Privacy. Find option Groups and tap it. Here, tap Nobody if you have this option. If not, tap on My Contacts Except. This option will make so only contacts in your phone's address book, except those you exclude, can add you to a group without your approval. On this page, tap on the button from the top. You have selected all persons not to be able to add you to a group. If you have also some trusted person who you wish to allow to add you in the groups, you can unselect them. After you have finished selecting the person who you do not wish to allow you to add you in a group, tap on the green button from the bottom. Only the person who you did not select can add you to a group now. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.